Hey guys, this is Dennis. I am the founder and CEO of pipsmatter.com. Today I'm going to be presenting this weekly technical analysis report. I'm doing this on the 18th of June. It's 8:36 p.m. in Cyprus. The market's open in less than 3 hours, so about 2 hours time. And I have a lot of things that I want to share with you. First, I'm going to be summarizing some fundamentals, and then I'm going to be analyzing 4 different pairs. So if you trade gold, NZDUSD, GBP/USD, or USD/JPY, I'm going to be giving you some very nice information on them. Like I said, pipsmatter.com, I'm the CEO here, I am the founder, and this is the technical analysis report for the final full week of June 2017. So I'm going to be going over some important notes before I go into the charts. So just hang on a couple of seconds, and I'm going to give you all the important. I'm going to cover most of the important subjects. I mean, there's a lot of other information that can be covered, but I know that you guys don't have time, and I don't have time either. So we're going to go over the general ideas. So the upcoming trading week is quite light in terms of data, but we do get very important, not very important, but important data coming out of Canada, a bunch of Fed speakers coming out of the USA, and some CPI news from the Eurozone. But traders this week will be focusing on 3 things: Fed speakers, political instability in the UK, and the US housing data will attract attention because last week it was terrible. So traders want to see if this was just a little bump in the long road towards recovery, or is it 2008 all over again. So we'll see. The data is not always right, but it's more times it has bumps. It's been revised many times, so it could get revised this week as well. But nevertheless, traders will be focusing on this. We do have a lot of Fed speakers this week. Traders want to see how things are going within the FOMC. The Fed actually did rise rates, and I believe the data did not support a rate rise. So even I'm going to be looking out to see what these guys are going to be talking about. Perhaps they just might move the dollar. The general idea for the dollar this week is that it will be strong, and then it's going to crash. But we're going to be speaking about that later on. Now, Brexit negotiations begin this week, I believe on the 21st, and I'm not mistaken. If I am mistaken, I will correct myself tomorrow, Monday, June 19th. So Brexit negotiations begin. Euro GBP should be interesting to watch this week. NASDAQ remains at a very strong bullish support, and we bought it again on Friday. Now, something interesting happened a couple of hours ago. Trump released a nice tweet saying that those tax cuts are coming, that they are in the works, so I really think they could support the tech firms, which is NASDAQ. You know, Facebook, Google, Twitter, all the big boys, the tech big boys are in the NASDAQ. Tesla as well, so yeah, a tax cut could really help them out. Well, there it is. They said that Trump released a tweet saying that massive regulation cuts and 36 new bills have been signed, but most importantly, he said that healthcare and tax cuts are in the works. So hang on for just a second. We're going to be going into charts. Like I said, we're going to be going over gold, New Zealand US dollar, GBP USD, and USD JPY. By the way, I'm not going to be releasing a trade of the week right now, but I'm going to be releasing one by 9 a.m. GMT tomorrow, Monday. Okay guys, hang on. Let's get going. Okay guys, so we're here. We're on the charts. The market's open in 1 hour and 59 minutes. And we're looking at gold. Gold is the first one. Weekly chart, very strong triangle pattern here from its all-time high, from this swing down after Obama took, a year before Obama takes office, which is the financial crisis of 2008. You can see that this top trend line hasn't been broken in a long time. Price keeps edging lower since 2011. We're waiting for a breakout. I've been saying this for a long time, gold to 2000 and above. This could happen this year. This could not happen this year as well, but there's a high chance of it happening this year. Gold to 2000 I believe investors will slowly start moving out of the US stock market in the coming months. But for now, we are bearish. We're selling gold. I'm going to explain the key reasons on the daily chart. Firstly, the expected weekly momentum is down. These little lines, I'm going to explain what they are. We do have a double top here, a nice little double top, indicating that price should continue heading lower. There are chances that our profit target will be broken out of, but I'm nevertheless sticking towards my initial prediction that gold's coming to 1240. So our sell profit target is 1240. It's actually a bit lower than that. It's 1237.50. But as you see it here, it seems as if it's 1240. But once I add the line, you'll see that it's actually 1237.50. That's our sell profit target for the new trading week. Current key resistances are as follows: 1256, that's the first one; the second one 1270, the third one 1275, and the final one 1280. So if price does edge higher, we're going to be waiting to sell gold at one of these levels. The current supports that we have are 1250 and 1245. Gold, to me, is bearish this week. I do expect a nice drop from current price. That's about 1.5k pips in gold, which should be about 150 pips. Not a major move, but my trend line here would support the idea that price should come down towards my profit target. My idea is to get maximal profit on this trade, and I'm going to try and hold it until the profit target is reached. I will, however, move my stop loss into profit, so that's how I'm going to be trading this pair. I will be moving my stop loss into profit after this resistance level is broken, and that's the support line level, which is the 1250. Once 1250 is broken, then and only then will I be moving my stop loss into profit. My current trade is pretty simple. My stop loss is at 1258.7. My entry is 1253.9. So I'm already sold from Friday. I'm going to be going over right now USD JPY, and you see here, what you see here is the 1 hour chart. I will be going over to the daily chart. You can see again a nice little triangle forming. Forget about all of this here. I'm going to show you this on the hourly chart. So the key support levels would be these two red ones, and that's 11. Let me just go over it. Basically, the buy profit target is 1130. That's up here. No, that's 1120. 1130. 1 sec. Is up here. So our buy profit target is here, 1130. But I will be settling for 112.75. So this level here. So that's TP2. TP1, which is take profit. Our target is here. So I'm going to remove this so you can see it better. Okay, T1 is here, T2 here, and finally T3 is a little bit above 1130. These are the three layers or targets for the final bullish run for the month, or even for the quarter, probably for the quarter from the dollar. I will be looking to buy USD JPY from this area here. If price doesn't reach this area, I'm only going to be entering a buy after this resistance level is broken. So I'm going to go over the current key resistance levels. The first one is 111.20, the second one is 111.40, the third one is 112.00, and finally the fourth one, 112.75. These are the resistance levels I'm looking at. I'm going to be waiting for price to vibrate in these areas, and I'm going to be trying to add on to my trade. As you see from current price, if price doesn't open with a gap, the first target TP is 113 pips away, the second one is 190, and finally the third one is all the way at 272. The support levels are these two, the key ones, and I'm going to name them 111.60, 111.40, and 109.60. Those are these levels here, everything from here. So I'm going to be looking to buy USD JPY at these levels. Price is trading in a triangle, so it's range trading, moving around, and I do expect a bullish run from the USD to continue. I think the Fed speakers should be hawkish this week, support a stronger dollar, but moderately. So if price comes here by Wednesday, I'll probably be looking to sell it. But let's get to one of the profit targets, and then I'll of course release my predictions. Now we're moving over to New Zealand US dollar. I'm going to clean up the chart again for you and show you what's going on. This is the daily chart. You can see that we have a very strong support level that's been holding on since September 2016. That's a lot of months. It's been tested once, twice, 3, and then finally we're in the 4th time. I do expect a strong resistance to hold the New Zealand US dollar. Could be moderate because we have important news coming out of New Zealand with the interest rate and monetary statements from the Royal Bank of New Zealand. My sell profit target for New Zealand US dollar is 0.7120, and the second one is 0.6975. And as you see them, they're marked here as red. So this is the second profit target right there, this one there. They're marked as red, the profit targets. Clear and simple. So this is a support here. I will be removing this one. My two targets are this, New Zealand US dollar. Even though there could be more momentum, bearish momentum, I'm still going to be taking my final profit of this area here, the red one. So the red level. Pretty basic. Expected weekly momentum for New Zealand US dollar is bearish. The key resistance levels, the current key resistance levels are 0.7275, 0.7300, and 0.7350. The current key support levels are 0.7200, 0.7100, and 0.7042. I know it's many numbers, but if you want to mark them down, please do pause the video and just write them down for yourself, or head over to our website where you can just click and you'll see all of these levels written down by themselves. The final pair I'm looking into is GBP USD. GBP USD, we had been bullish last week. Trade of the week was GBP buy and FTSE sell. Now this week, let me just remove this. This week we're looking at it a bit differently. We are bearish, and this is the only target we have. So our expected weekly momentum is bearish on GBP USD. Our sell profit target is 1.2600. To find all the key resistance levels and supports, just head over to pipsmatter.com, press on articles and analysis, and you will find the weekly technical analysis with the date 18/6/2017. My name is Dennis. I'm the founder and CEO of pipsmatter.com. We provide a lot of valuable information and training to traders, so you can review our services, our offerings on the pricing section of our website. If you think that we can help you in any kind of way, do join us. I mean, it's a very small fee, and you get a 60-day money-back guarantee on it. So nothing can go wrong, and that's guaranteed by ClickBank. And ClickBank is our payment processor. That means the money for 60 days. If you're unhappy after 59 days of using us, you can take your money back. Simple as that. I hope this video will help you in one way or another. Right now I'm going to summarize the pairs, and they are GBP USD bearish, sell profit target 12600, New Zealand US dollar momentum is bearish, sell profit target is 0.6975, USD JPY is momentum is bullish, and our buy profit target is 1130. And finally, gold. Momentum should be bearish, and our sell profit target is 1237.50. Once again, thank you for watching and have a super week. Bye now.